rocks everywhere. This looks like fucking undercooked bacon. Okay, so we got the new plastics on. Original Honda red and white. As you can see, I got some graphics. I went ahead and ordered the number kit from Rocky Mountain ATV because it was because it was only like $47 or something instead of paying $200 for a full graphics kit. I also went and bought a big decor visual sticker pack, and then I just sort of put stickers where I wanted them and didn't have to deal with a one set design. So I went ahead and got all of the plastics off, and I still need to put graphics on. Basically the right side radiator shroud, and then the two back panels here for the numbers, and then the CRF graphics. I'll show you what I've done so far. Okay, so I did buy the stock CRF 450 decals for the radiator shrouds, and then this is one of the stickers that came on the sticker sheet was the Geico one. And the back fender, I'm still not 100% set on this, but basically a bunch of stickers that came with that sticker pack, and then of course Rusty Butcher and some Vans, and then the front with the name, number. Now before someone goes and says something about the 666 number, I don't give a fuck. So that's why they're on there. I was gonna put my number 8 on there, it's my lucky number, but I decided fuck it, might as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these graphics on the rest of the plastics, get the plastics put back on, and be ready to ride. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this stock graphic back on the radiator shroud. This one's kind of tricky because it has these tabs that have to go down inside these cutouts. It's not too hard, but you really got to pay attention to what you're doing. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this graphic stops right here, like halfway down the back side of this, so I just went ahead and threw one of these Geico Honda stickers on it. I think it looks kind of cool. Same color yellow and stuff, so now I'm gonna get started on the numbers. Graphics inside. There we go. All right, now to do the left side. I've tried fucking everything to get this thing flat, and it will not be flat. It will not line up with that hole, this hole, and that hole, and still be flat. As you can see, this looks like fucking undercooked bacon. I don't know what to do now. Maybe I'll just take this thing off and have one side with no number, because that's probably what it's gonna end up being. So as you can see, everything's back together. I did decide to keep this right side back number plate on, even though it looks like shit. I probably will end up taking it off and just having a white panel, or maybe sticker bombing it. I kind of dig the look of sticker bombs, or sticker bombing something anyway. So Thursday's video is going to be taking this out to a really nice motocross track here locally called Copperhead. It's an actual like AMA sanctioned track. It's really nice, a lot of nice turns, a lot of good jumps and stuff like that. So there should be some good footage of that coming up. This video I know is kind of short. I was gonna throw the riding footage in on this video, but then it would have been really long because there's, again, a lot of good footage on that track. You having fun?
Around.
Yeah, don't put your finger in there though. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. I know these